Yo family, listen, what we doing today? We're out here, we're gonna go meet the Grom boys. Let me make this green light quick. But yeah, we're going to meet the Grom boys. I don't know what we're doing really, I just know we're gonna be doing some wheelies and shit. So yeah, that's that. Oh, it's my birthday as well. It's my birthday, you heard me? We're out here on the strip. Had to get on the bike, I didn't have much of a choice. Sometimes you just have to, innit? But yeah, we're going to meet TJ, we're going to meet that one rider, and I think there's another Grom coming as well, and I'm on an R7. But yeah, TJ sold the R7, or swapped the R7 recently for the Grom. So yeah, he's got the Stunt Grom instead of the Stunt R7 now. We're gonna see how he is on it. Watch him not even be able to lift the wheel up, because when I first hopped on a Grom I was struggling. But there probably won't be much more talking until I get there, unless I do a cool wheelie or speak to someone about how cool my bike is, because everyone loves R7s clearly. Why the fuck's it on the floor? Why is it on the floor, mate? I mean, standard Grom fashion. Pull up and she's just laying down. Sick one.
Kind of annoying though, the peg is the first thing that hits the floor.
Eh.
But we move.
You'll be fine. You need to fucking indicate, you bastard. No! Where? Nah, what the fuck is that bullshit, bruv? You're gonna fucking get rear-ended. Oh shit, are we gonna have to? Mum's life, I nearly just crashed. But I went to fucking just slightly pop the clutch.
What?
And the whole back end just went out to the side. He doesn't like us. I'm waving at him, he just fucking turned his head away. Where are we going? I don't get why people can't just be nice. Like, I waved at you. I know you can't see my face, but I'm smiling, lad. I'm fucking smiling. Yeah, he looked at me, he was like, that fucking prick. He scares my whole neighborhood. I got a free escort from a fucking ambulance the other day. I was on the way to work and I was late, and then there was an ambulance, so I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna follow him through all the traffic. Hell yeah, brother! Oh, the pops! The pops! That's what they sound like. Goofy goobers. What have I signed myself up for? So we have R7, Grom. What have I done? Grom boy, other Grom boy. Oh.
The zip broke.
Oh, that was our quick DIY.
I don't get nothing from him. He just walks up to me, shows me the rip, and just fucks off. Oh shit! I tried to jump the speed bump and I just fucking slipped. I love all of the check engine lights that I can see right now. I'm with the Grom boys today. Look at them fucking go, absolute whippets. Oh no, they're gapping me. What have I signed myself up for today, boys? Don't pull out. Thank you. So yeah, today I've been kidnapped by the Grom boys. They're forcing me to go back to the small car park to do some wheelies, and they just don't rate me. That's what's happening today. They don't rate me at all. Heil Hitler! Did you just say you'll tolerate the blacks today? What the fuck? I pull up. Don't make me rip you off that Grom, rude boy. Salam, white boy. You got space? Oh, you can't hear me. Fucking hell, he tried to go around us and then you just pulled out in front of him. Go! Go! Here's the Grom squad! Squad! I don't think I should have had a caffeinated beverage today. Oh, I can do that too! Look at us! No, hold my hand! It's a Mazda! Wreck the whip, but I'm still good! She's spinning, boy. I don't know if she's coming up today. I'm scared. Oh, there's the camera! Hello! Still good. I don't know where I'm going. Where am I going? I thought, oh, that is feds! Ah! Oh no, police! Oh no, police! Ah! Oh, I didn't even touch him. Still good. Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Oh no, I stole it! I don't know if this is gonna work for me. Do you reckon it's even gonna lift? quite a bit though. I don't know how well this is going to work for me, boys. I wrecked the whip, but I'm still good. Ah! It's just like so loud for what reason? Hello, it's me. I was wondering if you could. Oh, stop it! What are you? Did you just go to hit me? I was recording that. I'm posting you all over my socials. Is he gonna fit? Oh no, he's not gonna fit shit under the seat. He wanted to fit a monster under there, but his hopes and dreams have been crushed. Fuck. What are we gonna do? He might just collapse from this one. From the sheer weight and power of the Grom. Because everybody knows about how powerful and how heavy these absolute beasts are. These 200 plus brake horsepower weapons. That's the sound that everyone makes when they wheelie them. Because they're so powerful that they have to make sound effects. They'll just go and it comes straight up. Hold on, wait a minute. Something ain't right. Why are you gay? Do you want to go back? Do you actually? Come on, brother. Do you need coins? I got you, B. I have a singular £1 coin. Right, I'm going to turn this off until we leave. What the fuck is this, mate? 120? 120? Okay, 120. 120? Who can I wave at? I want to wave at somebody. Nobody's look. We got a smile! Did you want to go in front? Yeah, sorry, I should have thought about this and took us the other way back. Come here, boy! It's actually kind of deep, everyone's just overtaking you. See you in a bit, Java. Take it easy. I'm going here. Bye. Bye, Felicia.